Senior officials of the International Monetary Fund have spoken highly of the economic rebound in China, saying the recovery will provide more opportunities for other countries. At a press briefing during the IMF and World Bank spring meetings on Thursday, IMF Managing Director Kristalina Georgieva said that the IMF projected the Chinese economy will grow quite strongly by 5.2% this year. This is higher than China's domestic projection of 5%.
We have been pleased to see this rebound of China, not only for China, but also because of China's role in the world economy. China this year is going to contribute about 1/3 of global growth. We calculated that 1% more growth in China translates into 0.3% more growth for the economies that are connected to China.
At another press conference on the same day, Krishna Srinivasan, director of the IMF Asia and Pacific Department, said that China's strong economic rebound will provide fresh momentum for Asia's growth.
China's reopened economy is rebounding strongly, and this will generate positive spillovers to its trading partners, providing fresh momentum for Asia's growth. The Chinese economy is expected to expand by 5.2% in 2023, which is a 0.8 percentage point revision to our projection in October 2022. What does this mean? What does China's growth rebound mean for Asia Pacific? Here we have projected our growth for Asia Pacific to be 4.6% in 2023. This is a 0.3 percentage point higher than we expected last October, and this upward revision largely reflects China's reopening. This forecast implies that the region will contribute to more than 70% of global growth this year.
Can you actually elaborate more on the specific sectors that you see in China that's going to actually unrelease more great potential? Thank you.
Again, as I said, this time we have seen consumption was quite repressed during the pandemic, right? And so most of the growth we are seeing in China, the rebound, is led by consumption. Right? So it's a consumption-led recovery, and so sectors which feed into that are the ones where you will see a big uptick in growth. Now, that's linked to what happens to the rest of Asia. So countries which have close links to China and which export final consumption goods will benefit the most. Also, if you look at the numbers which came out today, exports from China have risen quite sharply, and that again reflects a dynamism there inherent in how we see Chinese growth going forward.